Hey everybody, today I'm sharing with you a Grow Collaborative haul. When I did my Clean With Me video the other day, I realized that I was running short on some of my products. So I placed an order and it came today. So if you're any bit interested in seeing what I have and what I use, please keep watching. All right, let's get into this video. This is my package, and like I've said before, I like how they personalize your package by giving you a sweet little message on your box. I think that is so awesome. And even though a lot of these products you can find at the store, Grow Collaborative, they offer a lot of great deals. Like an offer that I took advantage of this time around was if you spend $35, you receive a free item. So I should have a free item in here. And then they send this, and a lot of times I straighten this paper out and cut it to size to use in between my plates. So I use this. Okay. First item is the Method Squirt and Mop. I love this. It makes my floors nice and shiny, and I like using this. Next item is the Method Daily Wood Clean. And this is what I use on my dining room table. My TV stand, it has wood legs. I use it on there. My cabinets, and also my kitchen cabinets. This cleans it and it leaves a nice smell and a nice shine. So this also is a good product. Okay, I have two of these because I was running short. But I believe this one came with this. It was a bundle deal. And I thought I took this one off, but I didn't. So this is a bundle deal on the website. The wood clean and the glass cleaner. Now this, I like the smell of this, but you really have to be careful on what type of cloth that you use with this, or it can be streaky. So if you use like a microfiber cloth, you should be able to get a nice, pretty, clear mirror. And I like using this just on the bathroom mirrors, not on my other mirrors, because I like that foam cleaner that I purchased from Walmart. But this, yes. And then this is the all-purpose cleaner. I like the smell of this. And this is Honeycrisp Apple. And then this is the foaming bathroom cleaner. And this is Eucalyptus Mint. And I like this as well. It leaves a good fresh smell in your bathroom. And this right here, this Daily Shower, this is my first time getting this scent. Is Yangling. I don't know if you can see but this is my first time getting this one. Okay, it's a soft smell. And then this is my free item. And I also purchased this. This is Chandel. Never mind. This was just something I have wanted to try. It's a body wash and a body lotion. And this was only, I believe, $2. And I just wanted to try it out before I actually purchase it. The bigger bottle, it's a relaxing lavender. And it's a body wash. This one is a soapberry body wash. And then this one is a shea butter. This berry lathers, try it yourself. So it's supposed to have a good lather to it. So I'm gonna try that. And then this is my free item. It's lavender and oatmeal bar of soap. And then this is the soap tray. If you ever had wanted to see what that was. They call it a soap saver. A bamboo soap saver. It smells real good. It's real strong. And like I said, it's lavender and oatmeal. It smells real good if you like lavender and oatmeal. So this is how this looks. In case some people like to use hand soap. Some people like to use bar soap. But this was my free item for spending what I spent. All right, guys. So if you're interested and you have not tried Grow Collaborative items yet, I will leave a link below where you can go on and click on, and you will get a free I think it's a 3-piece or 4-piece set that you get free when you're a new member to Grow Collaborative. So I will leave that link down below. I thank you for watching my quick little video, my Grow Collaborative video. I hope that anything that you wanted to know, I answered, and if not, leave me a comment below and I will be happy to answer any questions that I have knowledge of. And if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, and I will see you on my next video.